All right, here we go. Excuse me. Let's hook up this damn relay. Now, let's try to make this very simple for you because it can be a little difficult, but you don't have to make it difficult. So, here's the prongs. All right, here's a relay. Don't go to Amazon or Pep Boys and get these relays because it costs like $8 to $10 each. Go to Amazon and get the relays with the wires and the relay. You get like five for like $16, $17. So do that. Save a lot of money that way. Or go to the junkyard and pull some, but you still got to add wires to them. But get them from Amazon. It's probably the best way. So anyway, here's the diagram. Okay, I'm gonna pull the. Excuse me. I'm gonna pull this apart. And if you, most people, when you look at the relays, you look at this right here on the top, right? Right? And you're like, what the fuck? What the fuck is that? You know, it's, and you look at videos and you don't understand it. So I'll make it easy for you. What you're gonna do is get your relay, look on the bottom of the relay. Okay? They're numbered. Each little prong is numbered. Each one of these little prongs is numbered. Don't worry about the inside one, it's not used. But all these are numbered. Let's look on the bottom of them and you'll see them, they're numbered. All right? What you're gonna do is, like this one right here, all right, get the number, it's 30, all right? Scratch it on there. Let's see if you can see that. Okay? 30. Scratch it on there. Then look at the next one. Okay, it's 85. Scratch it on there. The other one, this one right here. All right, 87. Scratch it on there. And another one, you know, what was that? 86. Scratch it on there. Okay, so that's the diagram right there. All right, that's the diagram. All right, then you're gonna put your little wire kit back on. All right, you know where the hell the wires go. Now these prongs, it's gonna go as follows. All right, number 30. All right, 30 goes to your battery. All right, 30 goes to your battery from the relay. Okay, 86 goes inside the car to your toggle switch. Okay, to your toggle switch. And then 87 goes to the device that you're powering. So the device that you're powering is either going to be your, you know, your solenoids, your starter, your fuel pump, whatever. All right, you're going to power your device, number 87. And then 85 is going to go to your ground. That's why I got my ground hooked up. It's going to go to your ground. It's just that fucking simple. Don't make it hard. Once again, 86. Let's start at 86. Once again, it's going to go from, all right, it's going to go from your wire. It's going to go inside your car to your freaking toggle. Then 87 is going to go to your device that you're powering from the relay. And then 85 is going to go straight to the ground. And 30 is going to go to your positive on your battery. Why do we hook up relays? We're going to hook up relays because you burn your switch out. All right. If you don't use a relay, you turn your switch on. All that power is going to be going straight to your switch, and you're going to burn your switch up, and there's a possibility of burning your car down. So don't do that. Use relays. Now, when you hook it up to your toggle, get the toggle that's going to have 3 little prongs on it. All right, and one prong is going to have like a little light on it, and that light, all right, is going to go from your number 86 to the toggle. And then on your toggle, you're going to have a little, for ground, it's going to be like, I think it's 3 little lines. That's for your ground. You can hook that to your ground inside your car. And then that little plus sign on your toggle inside your car, you got to hook it all the way back to your power with a fuse. All right, to make it work. All right, make sure you use these fuses and your relays so you don't burn your goddamn car up. Hope that helps. Now, once again, I just use this little thing right here to scratch the relay. Now, going to help you with something else. Now you look on Amazon, they got these little beautiful little switches. They're push button switches, and when you push the button, okay, you push the button, the light turns on, and then you push the button again, it turns off. When the power's on, the light turns on a little circle. You see them on Amazon, all right? They don't come with instructions a lot of time, or the instructions are hard to read, all right? So I'm going to help you out. So this is the end of the switch, okay? This is the switch. I got it. I figured it out right here. This is regular. Black goes to ground, okay? The green and red wire, you twist those together, the green and red wire, okay? You twist them together and they go to your device, all right? They go from green and red, go all the way to your solenoids or to your fuel pump or whatever you're powering, all right? And then the blue wire in here, goes all the way back to your power source with a, guess what? With a fuse. Okay, with a fuse. That'll help you out. That's where these cheap little switches, these push button switches that you get. All right, so don't get confused from these little push button switches from the toggle switches I just talked about earlier. All right, so it is what it is. Hope that helps. All right. All right. There you go. That's it. Simple, right? Peace.